And as we've just heard on the news, the first moves were being made this morning to put the International Space Station together with that first launch from Kazakhstan heading up through the cloud there. Now we've got plenty of cloud across the British Isles. The thickest of it is out to the west and particularly up to the northwest. That's where we've got some wet and windy weather moving in. In fact, we can see the wet weather on the radar. Some quite bright colours moving into northwestern parts of Scotland, moving fairly quickly. That's because the winds are fairly strong there, but they are relatively mild winds. As you can see here, that the darker blue arrows actually across on the near continent. Not too many of them, but they are feeding in across southeastern parts of Britain. It is quite cold across in France, and indeed temperatures are struggling to get above freezing across the Benelux countries, and it's all heading our way, and that cold air is going to stay with us through the weekend. In fact, with the breeze picking up, it's going to feel decidedly chilly there. But the strongest winds up in the northwest, touching gale force, perhaps gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour at times as the rain moves in, but still a chance of a little bit of snow up over the highlands of Scotland. Now that's all down to this weather system here coming in off the Atlantic. Lots of isobars indicating the strength of the wind there. But let's follow that weather front because it is going to wriggle its way slowly southwards as we go through the weekend. To the south of it, though, I think it will stay dry and cold, and it'll turn colder again to the north of it, with the main rain band gradually narrowing as it works its way south. It'll be in evidence overnight tonight, but perhaps the most important thing is this raw cold wind that'll lead to a penetrating frost across southeastern parts of England and also into East Anglia. And then through the weekend, remember that weather system heading southwards, a narrowing band of rain gradually working its way into central parts of the British Isles. To the north of it, brighter, showery, colder weather getting in, and throughout the weekend, a chilly wind blowing across the southeast of England. That's the weekend's weather. Bye-bye.